Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech reviews and insights. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into a comprehensive review of HealthTap, a telehealth platform designed to revolutionize how you access healthcare. Links to the platform are available in the description below. HealthTap provides a convenient, affordable, and efficient way to manage your healthcare needs, connecting you with doctors for virtual consultations. Whether you're seeking urgent care, mental health support, or ongoing health management, HealthTap brings professional medical advice right to the comfort of your home. A key strength of HealthTap lies in its remarkable accessibility. You can connect with a doctor 24/7, often within minutes. This makes HealthTap an invaluable resource for individuals with demanding schedules or those residing in areas with limited healthcare access. Furthermore, HealthTap offers both video and text-based consultations, allowing you to select the communication method that best suits your preferences. The platform itself is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring a streamlined sign-up process and an intuitive interface. It's tailored for individuals seeking swift, reliable, and private medical consultations without the necessity of in-person appointments. Beyond consultations, HealthTap offers a valuable resource, a vast library containing over 100,000 doctor-answered questions. This extensive database provides a wealth of information for users searching for quick answers to common health concerns. Moreover, HealthTap provides personalized health plans tailored to your individual medical needs, along with access to prescriptions and lab results, all securely managed within their platform. It's an ideal solution for anyone seeking convenient, cost-effective healthcare services, particularly for those with minor to moderate health issues that don't necessitate a physical doctor's visit. HealthTap offers a range of affordable plans, including a free option for limited access and premium plans for more comprehensive services, making it a flexible choice, especially for those without convenient access to traditional medical facilities. In summary, HealthTap provides a superior telehealth service that seamlessly blends convenience, affordability, and accessibility. It's the perfect solution for anyone seeking prompt and dependable medical consultations with the added benefits of privacy and security. Click the links in the description to explore HealthTap today.